Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how to check the size of documents and files stored in your Google Drive. So let's get started. Alright, so in the first step head over to Google Drive, log into your account, and checking your file size is actually super simple. Here in your My Drive account you will see a category here to the right called File Size, and below you will see a list of all folders and files within the given location, which in this case here is My Drive. So simply go through that list and check the file size of the given file. For instance, that video here has a file size of approximately 48 MB. If you hover your mouse over the given file size, you will see the detailed information, and you can repeat the same for any other file or document stored in your Google Drive. What you want to do alternately, guys, is simply right click on the given file and then select File Information, and here to the right choose Details, or alternately use the shortcut Alt V then D, and that is going to give you a detailed insight. Here to the right you will see, for instance, a preview of the given file, for example if it is a photo or a video, and if you scroll further down you will see the storage used here, as well as the file size, the file location, the ownership, the modifying date, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you next time.